Hi everyone, I'm Gongdae-unni. Gongdae-unni means sister who graduated from the University of Engineering. My Facebook friend who lives in India wants to learn to make this hat. How about this? It's simple and useful. Now, get ready with me. I use a crochet hook. The size is 5 mm. You need a marker pin and yarn. We make a magic ring. Turn around the yarn on your finger and pick. Make a chain stitch and 6 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'Pull the tail yarn, you can make a circle shape. This is first row. We don't need a slip stitch. Second row has 12 single crochets. Increase single crochet each other. 1, 2. You need a marker pin. Check a first single crochet stitch. 11, 12. We don't need a slip stitch. Third row, start this point. 1 single crochet, increase single crochet. Make a single crochet and you check first single crochet. After, increase single crochet. 1, 2. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1 single crochet, increase single crochet. Third row has 18 single crochet. Fourth row, start this point. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, increase single crochets. Repeat until this point. Fourth row has 24 single crochet stitches. You will increase until of the head you want. Okay, next we will make the shape like this. Now we don't need increasing. You make a single crochet each other from now. If you feel tight, sometimes increase single crochet stitch. Until you want. Increasing stitch, single stitch, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 and repeat. If you need wide head, you can increase more than more. At last, slip stitch, slip, slip. Through the hole, pull the yarn. This is a small head for my doll. How about this? It's too easy and simple. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you. See you again.